it comes to trucks and SUVs, suspension and especially shocks make all the difference in the driving experience. Falcon Performance Shocks deliver just the right mix of comfort, control, and reliability. Toyota, Jeep, Ford, Bronco, GM, it doesn't matter what you drive. A set of Falcon Shocks will transform the ride from the mundane to just plain fun to drive. The Toyota Tacoma has always been an overlanding favorite, but add a set of Falcon Sport leveling shocks and you'll get a couple inches of lift, some clearance for some bigger tires, and a truck that's stable on the highway. But when you rally the old girl off-road, you'll appreciate the whoop and trail-dominating performance. The Tundra brings full-size truck versatility, and Falcon Shocks bring some serious adjustability. Remote reservoir coilovers with fast adjust tech let you easily fine-tune the front and rear for firmness, more stability, smoother ride, and big truck load control. It's all dialed in. For the Forerunner crowd, versatility rules. Falcon Sport tow haul shocks deliver 3 easy settings: sport, moderate, and loaded for towing. Whatever the load, Falcon's adjustability has it covered. Jeep owners get it. Suspension is everything. Falcon's coilover suspension systems for the JK, JL, and JT Gladiator maximize wheel travel while significantly improving street manners. And it does it all without all the traditional coilover squeaks, popping, and annoying coilover noises. The new Bronco gave the Falcon Shocks engineering team a blank canvas. It was time to get innovative. Coilovers with built-in bump stops cut costly add-ons, while redesigned mounts reclaim lost travel. Easy access ride adjustability lets you fine-tune the ride. Desert speed runs, rock crawling, the Bronco's finally ready to go. For F-150 owners, pre-assembled Falcon coilovers with tow haul adjustability will level your stance, smooth out that surprise washout in the trail, and enjoy a ride that's quiet, adjustable, and vehicle-specifically tuned. Even new brand Chevy and GM trucks benefit. Falcon coilovers add rebound control, prevent harsh bottom outs, and deliver a truck that's stable, quiet, and just plain comfortable to drive. From Tacoma to Tundra, Jeep to Bronco, Ford to GM, Falcon Performance Shocks transform the okay factory ride into a ride that makes your vehicle fun to drive. More comfort, more control, more adventure. Falcon Shocks, smoothing out life's rough spots.